Alright, hey guys. We're going to be looking at the high leverage 7-in-1 high leverage pliers from Milwaukee today. You saw me do a little bit of an unboxing on this earlier in one of my earlier videos. Let's go ahead and take a look at them. These are, what size they said these were. These are like a 9-inch. Doesn't say. It's just a 7-in-1 high leverage pliers. The model number is 48-22-3078. Let's take a look at them. There they are right there in all their beauty. I do have, I think this is a 6-in-1. This other one right here. It's a little bit smaller. We're going to look at that next. But they are different. We'll do a comparison video too. But this one right here is the bigger one. I think it's around 9 inches. And the other one is like almost 8, not quite 8 inches. But anyways, it's got this locking thing here, so it will stay shut. When you release that, it opens right up. So let's take a look at the features. It's got this right here on the front is a reamer, and we got here. We got the 2 holes here. Those are the bolt cutters. You can cut 832 and 632 size bolts. Right here in the middle is a bolt cutter. Then we have these guys here, the wire strippers. And also you can use this hole here to make loops with your cables. And then you have the wide jaw pliers. They look more like a kind of like a duckbill, if you can see that. All right, and then a crimper right here in the bottom part. There is your crimper. So let's go ahead and take a look, see what these guys can do. So here we go. We got a wire here. Let's see how the cutters do. Cuts just fine right through them. Shoot, should have got something to strip. Hey, we can do it. I got a knife on me. So let's go ahead and get that. See if we can strip one of these wires. Right on. Alright, I'm gonna take this black one here. And it should be 12. It's got on the actual nose of it here, it says solid or stranded, and then it tells you what sizes it can do. This is 12, so let's put it in the 12. Strip that strip so easily. That's so nice. But then you could take, let's go ahead and strip this one too. We'll just put it right there in the 12. Pops right off. And then you can use, these are flying away from me. Then you use that wide end as a pliers if you were trying to round up some wires. You could grab 3 wires easily and twist them up if you needed to. Like so. I didn't do a good job, but it can get the job done. So it cut the wire for you, it can strip the wire for you, and you can twist with the wide nose pliers. Also, let me shut this so I don't keep opening and shutting them. They don't actually, the pliers do not close all the way. There's barely, you're not going to be able to see it, but there's barely not touching in the end. I think that's so you don't mess up, you wouldn't mess up the wires. Some of the wires too bad, but anyways, I'm not going to use the crimper because I don't have nothing to crimp right now, but I'm sure it works just fine. So you can cut them, you can strip them, the wires, you can get a hold of them, twist them if you need to, cut the bolts, and also crimp them. So this takes care of, 7 tools in one. Like I said, I'm trying to make my tool bags a little lighter, see if I can get away with 1 tool instead of 7 of them. This seems to be a nice 7-in-1 for you electricians out there, or do-it-yourself guys. It's a nice pickup. Also, this is at Home Depot for 20 bucks, and it's with the deal. If you want to check out one of my older videos, it was you buy 4 tools, you get $20 off, and that's one of those. So you can get this, or this. You could buy 4 of these and get one of them. You know, you get $20 off, so you can get one free. Or you can buy this. You just have to watch the video. Go back a couple videos and check that out. So thank you for watching my video. Have a great day.